memory attached. Every late night hustle came and went too fast. Now I read the signs that I used to ignore. Every closed door trying to open one more. Riding in Texas in a helicopter. City lights flicker while the nights get darker. Cash stack high, but they don't buy clothes.
Look, guys, if y'all ever want to know something that Suno does, can't do, can do, if you think you want to know if it can do it or not, I've probably tried. This is a cool feature. Be on the lookout for it. Make you some different models. Pick 24 songs that sound sort of the same, if that makes sense. Try to use the same artist or the same style prompts or the same audio settings, and try to develop your sound. Then once you have your sound, make 24 songs. Take those 24 songs, put them into where I just showed you, and start using that to generate your songs from now on. Pro tip, my name's Jace. If y'all like this comment, like, subscribe, share it to your friends. Like any of the songs, feel free to DM me. If you like this educational short, just holla at me. I'll make more of them, man. If there's anything specific y'all want to know, drop it in the comments. I'll make a little short video about it. Y'all have a blessed day.